is it ancient romance? And is it native human? No, it's devotion. It's winter again, I forgot how the cold air smells, but that's relative to how I picture the world when I'm not looking. But a fraction of the population knows where I'm coming from, and they understand that there's a monkey in my brain playing crash cymbals. I get out of my head. 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 And there's a path in the trees only known to the natives. It's hard to explain it, but the scent of the sea has more meaning to me than most ever could imagine. Is this medieval? Or is it ancient romance? And is it native human? No, it's devotion. The natives are getting this feeling, and then we're burning Happy Island down. The natives are getting this feeling, and then we're burning Happy Island down. Oh, brother, brother, sister, mother, father, lover, help me put it out. Brother, brother, sister, mother, father, lover, help